Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you the error on Snapchat cannot available or Snapchat not opening error on your mobile phone. So this trick is quite easy and helpful to do. What we have to do, just find Snapchat in your applications on your Android or iPhone mobile phone. If you have iPhone, then you can do the same thing. You just have to tap this Snapchat icon for like 3 or 4 seconds and go on the application information on the middle. You can see this is my app information and my personal app information on the Snapchat, that is like 878 MB. I will click on the data usage details here on the second option, and then let me just clear all the data of this application from here. You can clear all the cache and all the data saved in your Snapchat here, and you will get it refreshed, and then you can log in again. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.